Welcome to the first in a series of LAFD dive team training videos. This video component is designed to introduce the team members to the new white dry suit and its inventory, demonstrate proper donning, and demonstrate the preferred method of trimming the hood and wrist seals. Additional videos will discuss the dry suit's features, specifications, operation, and maintenance. Inventory. The inventory you receive should consist of the following: the dry suit and undergarment, a pair of rock boots, a pair of neoprene socks, a thermal hood cap, a low pressure inflator hose, zipper wax, a repair kit, a dry bag, and most importantly, the instructions for the suit and exhaust valve. It's important that all members take the time to read through the instruction manual before using the suit. At this time, take note of the apex inflator valve. It's quite different than the ones used in the past, and it's equipped with an open-close safety valve. We'll discuss this more in the operational component of the videos. Donning the undergarment and dry suit. Your undergarment should fit without having excessive bulk. If the undergarment is too loose and baggy, it will cause discomfort when squeezed. It should fit close to the body, but not too tight. There are thumb stirrups and ankle stirrups to help keep the sleeves and legs from pulling up while donning the dry suit. As with all dry suits, donning the dry suit can be difficult from a standing position. It's best to have somewhere to sit down to get the lower half on. Reach inside the dry suit and grab the suspenders. Sit down and step inside the suit with one leg, pulling the suit to the knees and inserting the foot fully into the booty. Repeat with the other leg, and then stand and finish pulling the suit up over the hips. Place the suspenders over the shoulders. The suspenders should be adjusted to hold the suit up in the crotch area. At this point, it's best to sit back down and put the rock boots on before putting the upper portion of the suit on. Ensure that you tie a double knot on the boot so that it will be secure and not come undone during the dive operation. Once the shoes have been completed, stand and begin donning the upper body. Again, as with all dry suits, carefully slide your wrists through the seals. The fine adjustments on the wrist can be completed after the suit has been zipped up. To place the head, using both hands, reach through the hood and grab the neck seal and open it up. Carefully stretch the seal over the head and even out the seal around the neck. Have your tender zip the suit up and always double check to ensure the zipper has been completely closed. The next two photos are a properly fitted dry suit. Notice the length of the arms, the length of the legs, and the midriff. There's a fold between the top and the bottom. If your dry suit's excessively baggy and you're unable to get a good fit, or the crotch rides too low, you may need the neck size smaller. Trimming the neck and wrist seals. You'll need a few items to accomplish this: a large table, some very sharp scissors, brand new ones preferred, and some very sharp razor blades. It's best to pre-stretch the seals for 12 to 24 hours prior to making any adjustments. Utilizing a 1-gallon plastic bottle and tumbler cups, insert them into the neck and wrist seals. After the stretching period, and if the neck or wrist seals require trimming, utilize a sharp razor blade and trim only about 1/4 inch of the seal at a time. After trimming 1/4 inch, re-don the dry suit and see how it fits. Remember, this is a functional fit and should be snug. It may take several dives to get it right. And always use a new razor blade for every cut. Trimming the hood. The goal of trimming the hood is to remove excess material from the field of vision and maintain a wide seal overlap with the face mask skirt. Ensure that the hood is pulled tightly around the head. If you prefer to wear a thermal undercap, be sure to trim the hood wearing the cap. Don the face mask, and utilizing a marking pen, draw the perimeter line around the skirt. Remove the mask and dry suit. Note the proper way to remove your head from the dry suit. Using a ruler, measure the width of the face mask skirt. The skirt of the Guardian mask is approximately 1 1/8 inch at the forehead and on the sides, and gets much wider at the chin. OTS, the manufacturer of the Guardian full face mask, recommends a hood overlap equal to that of the skirt of the mask. Note the perimeter width of the hood. Utilizing a ruler, measure the inside distance around the marked hood and mark it with a felt tip pen. After marking the hood and drawing the perimeter, use a sharp pair of scissors to trim the excess hood material. Review and conclusion. To review a few important points, ensure that your inventory is complete. If not, contact your dry suit coordinator immediately. Try on the suit and make sure it's properly sized. If you feel it's too baggy or too small, don't trim the seals. Contact the dry suit coordinator. When trimming the wrist and neck seals, use only new razor blades. Doing so will ensure a clean, smooth cut. When trimming the hood, use only a new dedicated pair of scissors. Do not use trauma shears. When trimming, trim only 1/4 inch from the seals at a time. Remember, it's a functional fit and should feel snug. If you have any questions or you're unsure about the fit or trimming instructions, please contact the dry suit coordinator. This concludes this portion of the dry suit training. There will be additional training components that must be viewed and documented prior to putting the dry suits into service. Thank you for your attention.